Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2016 utility, 36'6" by 102, aluminum combo equipped with a universal mounting kit on the back. Carries Moffett, Princeton, Load Mac, and many other brands. It's a beautiful unit, heavy beam, 73,000 GVW trailer, aluminum combo, brand new kingpin plate underneath this unit. Brand new buyer's toolbox, some storage, air ride suspension, outer rim, steel, brand new rubber, Moffett, Load Mac, Princeton, many other brands will fit this kit system here. Give us a call, 260-238-4998 with any questions. Refurb steel outer rim, brand new straps, refurbed ratchets. Beam condition on this unit is excellent. Beautiful looking beams. 73,000 GVW aluminum combo. Air ride suspension, 2016 utility, 36'6". Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Give us a call, 260-238